here.
Eyes peeled. Take it slow.
Copy. On me.
Gotta get a screenshot of that.
Enemy transport ahead.
I'm gonna try to get on that ship there.
Here's cover. Keep moving.
I think I'm playing on Hardened or Veteran, I forget.
Stay fast and see what they do.
Eyes on two scouts.
Copy. The transport clear.
Take your pick.
I'm upside
I'll get
down.
the other.
In space, there is no right setup. It's all relative. No, I want to look. Looks amazing. This is a stream. This in 4K would be amazing. I'm sorry, but this has the best graphics. Better than Battlefield, I believe. Battlefield does have better like physics and atmospheric explosions. Maybe I should have found. Yeah, I probably should have been in cover, huh?
Keep it tight.
All right, let's find some cover. Everyone
Enemies in
talking.
town. Left.
Grab
Oh my
cover.
God, go!
Clear. Let's go.
Like I said, this is not. I'm playing on, I think, Veteran or Hardened, one or the other. So this is gonna be difficult.
Actual. Bravo's on station at Carrier Cerberus.
Copy, Brooks. Secure your perimeter for charges.
Incoming searchlight.
Stay low.
Clear to move.
All right, we're moving into the ship here.
Drop ship.
Got eyes on the objective. Got maintenance.
Oh yeah. Maintenance crew.
See him.
Repair division. 2 hull techs, 2 security.
You can take him out from here or get in close.
Your call, Race. Nice shot.
One down.
Going hard.
Jeez, that was no joke.
Clear.
Damn, Soldier.
Bravo, how copy?
Solid. Good to go here.
I mean, I'm a die-hard Battlefield fan, but this is a lot of fun, I must say. I hated every other Call of Duty. Besides Modern Warfare 2, that was fun. Black Ops 3 was a mess. This is great. I like this one a lot, especially the campaign. Mainly just the campaign. I play multiplayer every now and then.
Charge set. What's your status, Cash?
Placing down, sir. 1-2 is set, Raider.
Copy.
knock it out. There go their engines.
3 mics or less before they restore power.
Retribution, this is actual. Cerberus is out of commission.
Roger this. Inbound 2 sector.
We got scouts.
Oh man, this is gonna be difficult. Oh lord.
Roger that. Launching out, sir.
Enemy contact, 12 o'clock. Coming out the con tower.
Push through to the bow.
I couldn't even.
Coming out the con tower.
Push through to the bow.
We kicked the hot series. Gunners on the back.
Are these my guys? Yeah.
Watch your flank. Smoking. Hey, cover me. Copy.
Ooh man, this will get you fucking dizzy.
3 o'clock.
More SDS coming in.
That's awesome. Sorry, bud.
Tanks.
Yeah, I'm on him.
Get us clear to the hangar.
CBR came in handy.
Zip him up.
Check. Gator, I'm going interior. Get birds down here for squatties.
Scorchers are everywhere.
Roger. Sending out. Hey, cover me.
Yep. Sorry. Think we're going down in here.
All stations, be advised. 1-1 is in. Moving on the objective.
Copy. Watch your ass down there.
Jesus. Oh Kill the target. Cesar Magana. They're working on a, what are these, strikers or whatever? love my RPR Evo. Alright, now yeah.
All stations, jackpot on the prototype.
Oh no, this is gonna be ridiculous hard. Shit. Alright, here I come.
Raider is off the exit, inbound to base.
Oh man, they're everywhere.
Affirm, let's smoke 'em. This is Axel, you read? I want you monitoring Cerberus weapons for activity here.
Damn. Got him anyways. Goodbye.
Bogey, 10 o'clock. Target's at 11 o'clock. Watch the left flank.
Alright, fuck it, I'm using my missiles. Enough of this malarkey.
Watch 3, Fever, watch 3.
Threats at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, I know about rotating. Oh, he dropped flares, that little bastard. These last 3 are done, brother.
Threat, 8 o'clock.
Alright, you wanna play?
Missiles remaining. Weapons overheated.
Target's 12 o'clock.
Oh my god, they're everywhere now.
Target's at 11 o'clock.
Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Lock him up.
got the gigantic and